In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can AirDrop from your iPhone to your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to make sure AirDrop is enabled on both devices. On your iPhone, you want to go to the Control Center, and then you want to press and hold on the first segment, and you should see the AirDrop option. You want to click on that, and you want to make sure it's either on Contacts Only or Everyone. On your Mac, you want to go to the Control Center in the top right hand corner, and then you want to select AirDrop, and you want to toggle this on, and you want to make sure it's either on Contacts Only or Everyone. So now we've enabled AirDrop on both devices, we just need to do the AirDrop. So you want to go to your iPhone and you want to find the file, photo or folder that you want to AirDrop. In this case it's going to be a photo from our library. What we need to do now is click on the share icon in the bottom left hand corner, and here it's going to bring up the share menu. All you need to do now is to find where it says your MacBook AirDrop option in the contact section, and you want to select it. This will immediately send over the AirDropped file to your Mac, and it should automatically open on your Mac in your Downloads folder or wherever your default folder is. So if we click on the AirDrop file, as you can see it's fully transferred over to the Mac in full quality. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.